Year 2021, nag-start amo ang friendship ni Shasha. And it all began katong nag-hi siya sa ako. She is always positive, courageous, dependent sa Ginoo, and very loving and caring to the people around her.
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde.
To my most favorite girl who bring me love and joy, I am forever grateful to the Lord that He gave me a wonderful daughter like you.
Got no alibi, I was all alone with the love of my life.
Para sa ako pinalanggang anak kang Shasha, kusara gini siya kabuok karon ang imo nga birthday, ako naga-pray nga malipayon ka.
You shine. It's your golden
Gikan sa sinugdanan sa amo ang friendship, I have witnessed her qualities. Iyahang willingness to learn, leadership skills, and kamaugid siya mo stand kung unsay tama.
Wherever your journey in life may take you, I always pray that you'll be safe. Just enjoy the ride and never forget your way back home. Always know that I am here for you and I am so proud of you. I can't promise to be here for the rest of your life, but I can promise to love you for the rest of mine.
Taliwala sa atong mga kaagi sa kinabuhian sa iyong mama, pero nini nga imong birthday karon among mapakita kung unsa ka namo ka hinigugma.
Happy birthday to my greatest dream come true. You'll always be my baby girl, my one and only Shasha. I love you so much. Happy 18th birthday, Sha.
Siya, happy birthday. O I hope nga malipayon ka karong adlaw. God bless you and I love you.
You shine. It's your golden hour. You saw
The qualities she has made an impact to the people around her. Her positivity always reminds me not to be so stressed sa life, and reminds me that after every rain, there is a rainbow.